Okay, we're on.
All right, hey everybody, I told you I might pop in later this week. I'm Keely, still with the Kiss. We've got a box opening for you today. It's, you know how they have like Shark Week on, you know, what channel is that, Gina? I can't remember, but we don't watch it. This week is Drama Week. It has been mega drama all week long. Jeannie and I are exhausted. Forget all the stuff on the 24-hour news cycle. We're not even talking about that. We've had, you name it, it's happened. Everything's had roof trespassers, a gas line blowing out behind the building. I just got out of the shower when that happened. So, and then I'm also getting my husband set up on this little adventure we're doing. And in fact, we're hoping we get through this Facebook Live without phone blowing up. So we'll see if we can do that. So before my phone blows up with more drama, we're going to open this box. He's drinking tonight. I promise you that. All right, let's see what this is. A box from Berroco with stuff for summer already, spring and summer. I'll cut myself. We don't need any more drama today. All right. Many of you have probably worked with Sesame from Berroco, and we all love it. This is a new one called Summer Sesame, and it's really pretty. It has a nice texture. Let me get one of these out so you can kind of get the full visual. See, it has a little bit of texture and color, and it's just beautiful. This is a summer version. It's cotton with a little acrylic and nylon, and comes in lots of pretty shades. We're going to have some patterns too, but I don't think they're out yet. Everything's on a weird cycle right now, as you know. Yay! That's pretty.
Very pretty.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to getting the patterns for that. And then I believe this is, I think there are new colors here too.
I think so.
Modern cotton. I think most of, they're either reorders or new colors. Those look new.
I think they were new colors.
Is this one new? Maybe. Well, maybe new to you. New colors. Yeah, I think these are the new colors. Because they're pretty too.
They
New
are.
colors are modern cotton. So there you have it. I am off to deal with more drama. Oh, I forgot. You might have noticed this nice sweater that I'm wearing. This is, Courtney just finished this. This is out of Patina from the Simply Sparkling collection from Martin Storey. I was going to look up and see which one it was. Do you remember, Jeannie?
I don't remember.
It's really glamour, or it's
Yeah.
Simply Sparkling. We'll put the pattern link up on today's post on our blog, so watch for that here in a little bit, and we'll post what that is. The Summer Sesame, not in our system yet, but we'll work on that soon, so we'll have it up as well, and hopefully have some pattern ideas to share with you soon. And yeah, I'm off to put out fires. Bye!